Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show how to get Google AI Pro for free, or I can say Gemini for free. What you're going to do, open the browser of your PC and type here Gemini, and once you got the result, just click on the official website, which is over here on the top, and you can see we have this page. And now time to log into our Google account, or if you don't have, you're going to create it. By the way, after that we have this option which is going to give you Google AI Pro for zero, even the Google AI Plus also. So what I'm going to choose, because Google AI Pro is just going to give me 5 terabyte storage for free, I'm just going to subscribe on it for one more trial. So let's go ahead to do this. And you can see this is 5 terabyte store, and this is super cool. I can use it on Google Drive. So once I just click over here, I'm going to click on agree, and then we're going to wait a few seconds. Now we have all the information about this plan or promotion, which is going to give me one more free trial, and after that it's going to charge me $20, and we can just subscribe it with our Google balance or our card. So I'm going to use my credit card, and here you can see it's just subscribe to my Google account. I got now Gemini Pro AI for free in my PC, and this is actually super cool, and this is all about the instruction what we can do with this plan. And let's go ahead to click on done and checking for this beautiful thing we did here on this video. So this is all about how to get Google AI Pro for free. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video, and for that, like button. Until next quick so videos, bye bye my friends, peace.